Okay, so in this video, I'm going to go through how a transformer actually works, right? Okay, so first, for a transformer, this rectangular thing is what we call a transformer, and of course, there's a primary coil. So this loop right here, right, you see is actually your primary coil connected to an alternating current, and of course, a load right here. Okay, then of course, there's another coil called a secondary coil. So this secondary coil will be right here, and of course, normally it's connected to a load. Let's just say it's a light bulb. Okay, so first thing first, I connect to an alternating current. So let's just say, oh, my current actually flow for the first half a period, right? It flows in this particular manner. So meaning that the current, right, is going to flow in this manner. So this will actually create a magnetic flux, right? Or magnetic flux density in the upward direction, which will be linked to the secondary coil via the iron core. So you can see that the magnetic flux, right, or the magnetic flux density is linked from the primary coil all the way to the secondary coil. So if these the secondary coil will actually experience increasing magnetic flux linkage in the downward direction. So it will actually want to oppose the change, right? How does it oppose the change? It will actually creates its own EMF or induce its own EMF, right, in this particular direction. Correct. So in this direction, because you use a right grip rule, you grip in this manner, you realize that my magnetic field that I generate, right, is in the upward direction, is to oppose the change. So that is the first half of a cycle. Okay, so of course, after the first half cycle, the current is going to change direction, meaning I'm going to change in this manner. So for example, right, instead of flowing in this particular manner, I'm going to flow in the opposite manner. So it's 1, 2. So you can see from here, right, it's actually this part. Okay, so based on the diagram, you will see that my current is flowing in this manner. So using a right grip rule again, your magnetic field or magnetic flux density, right, will be pointing in this direction. So this magnetic flux density is going to be linked. Let me just erase this part first. It's going to link to the secondary coil via the soft iron core. Okay, so this secondary coil is going to experience a increasing magnetic flux linkage, right, in the upward direction, meaning you are going to produce your own current, right, or induce EMF, right, to oppose the change in the downward direction. So meaning, of course, your current is going to flow in this manner. Using a right grip rule, it's going to flow in this manner. So that is how a transformer actually works. So always remember, for a transformer, you must use an AC in order to operate it.